Good morning, guys, from another day here in Faraya. I'm here with my buddy Fouad.
Good morning.
And we are starting the day off to go find, if you followed along all of the Lebanon journeys, we are going to find some manouche, one of my favorite foods here in Lebanon. It's basically pizza for breakfast in the Lebanese form. So one thing I want to mention though is right now during the economic crisis, a lot of the crisis is going on, not having power for certain periods of the day. Something that happened to me the other day, I don't know if I mentioned much in my last video, but I got food poisoning. And the hard part is, some restaurants aren't necessarily able to tell when their, food might go under temp for a certain period of time. And so you never really know if you're gonna get sick or not right now. Luckily I didn't for 3 full weeks I was here. So it's not super common, but Fouad is telling me that he did see in the news that more and more people have been getting sick. So you want to be a little bit more safe. So we're going to chase down some minutia. We're going to find some minutia that has thyme in it, not as much like cheese or some of the usual stuff we get, just to reduce any chance we're going to get sick. Because I only have about 8 days left in Lebanon before I'm going to leave for a week, and then I'll come back. So I want to make sure every day can count. We can do as much as possible, and we can show you guys so much of this amazing country. So we're right now driving through like the would you call this like the downtown area of
you can call it Seha. Seha is like
Seha.
It's like a place where everybody like meets over there.
Oh, okay,
it's like the center of the village.
The center where everything's happening.
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, so we're gonna go through this area, find a little minutia spot. I think Fouad's got one in mind for us, and get some breakfast, get some coffee, and we'll be sharing with you guys a lot of Faraya today and in tomorro's videos.
It's like around the corner if you wanna, just like less than Western minutes.
A couple Western minutes from where we're staying. There it is. We found it already. It literally took us like 30 seconds to get there. No parking right in front, so we got to find another parking spot right on the side here. All right, we have found a parking spot. It's time to go get some minutia. Let's go. So they've got what, like a bunch of bunch of restaurants here?
I mean, like I know this, like it's called Top Saj. It's a very good place to have a manouche.
Top Saj, yeah, this is the one.
And like
Top Saj right here.
And like have a coffee and breakfast, manouche for breakfast or manouche for brunch or dinner maybe.
Yeah, you can have it at any time of the day.
Whenever you feel like.
Yalla, bro.
Yalla, let's go.
Bonjour, كيفك?
كيفك منيح؟
Ça va?
Mac.
Hungry for some delicious minutia, yeah?
Hey, we'll go for za'atar.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is where the freshly brewed coffee is made, yeah? Oh, that's perfect.
Two, please.
Yeah, two, please, brother.
You feel like espresso or you feel hot?
Oh yeah, something to really get us going, boss. So they're gonna hook us up with some very strong coffees here. Something to wake us up in the morning. That's gonna be good. Got the fresh Nestle machine there. See, they're making it the Lebanese way. They do the small cups of coffee loaded up with caffeine. You'd call it an espresso, right?
Yeah, I think
that's an espresso. That's an espresso, yeah. So I guess it's probably similar to like an espresso you might see in the United States or some other places.
You want sugar with your espresso?
Yes, please. Yep. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, there's 2 fresh coffees ready to go. Gonna load them up with sugar, get them going. Perfect. Merci. Get that sugar all stirred up in there.
Feel like having vegetables with your manouche? Is that a manouche?
Yeah, you think it's...
it would be good for your digestive system, and like vegetables is delicious with thyme.
Yeah, perfect. That's gonna be delicious right there.
That's called the Saj.
So this is how it's made, yeah? So you toss it up on top. Oh yeah. That's how you get it going. You can smell that thyme on there, cooking right in there. That's gonna be delicious. Oh yeah, see that? You can see it. Oh, you can smell it in there. Yeah. That is good. That is delicious. That is going to be fresh, good to go. No food poisoning there, that's for sure. All right, step 2 here. We're moving over. So we've got this thing cooked up. Now we're gonna be, what are we gonna be doing to this thing? Oh, we're gonna be tossing on some veggies.
And manouche za'atar with vegetables is called za'atar extra.
Za'atar extra? Oh yeah, there we go. Getting some tomatoes loaded up on that. Oh yeah, it's getting that thing rolled up. That is Sammy style. This is almost gonna, be like kind of rolled up like a shawarma then.
Yeah,
that's pretty good. Oh, merci, Habibi. Look at that thing. Yeah, oh yeah, that's gonna be good, bro. So we've got the minutia here, which I'm super excited to try out. And then, how do I even open this thing? So this is
you don't
pineapple juice?
Yeah, there's a straw for this.
Oh.
Where you put it inside the hole.
So So it looks like there's a little hole up top. So let's try this out. It's like this is a Lebanese juice box, we call them.
Yeah, everybody loves them.
Oh yeah, look at that. Hey, that's got a nice little design to it. Oh, that's good. That is good. All right, let's go ahead and dig right in, yeah? Fuad was right. Basically with the veggies in there, it adds like this kind of fresh, cold texture in the middle while you have the warm minutia surrounding it. So good. I really like the way the flavor is in these compared to the other way the minutia is cooked. Or maybe it's because it's also being eaten like a burrito style or a shawarma style. I like that. You know, they're easier to eat, and you don't feel like you're eating an entire like pizza, as I like to call them, but an entire minutia. When it's wrapped up like this, it feels like a smaller wrap. Fuad, how's that thing tasting?
I'm almost finished, man.
So that means he likes it. That means he loves it. Habibi, one of my favorite minutias. Yeah, very good. Delicious. Merci. Guys, I'm pretty sure you missed me having my last bite and kind of giving my last words about the minutia, but basically it was so good, so filling. Breakfasts here are pretty heavy in a good way, but that gets you ready for the rest of the day. It got me fueled up, and I think it's time to finish it off with the coffee. I haven't even had any of the coffee yet. Got the espresso. We're gonna take it as a shot though today.
Coffee is medicine.
Oh, the medicine. All gone, took it like a shot. We're back in business.
Arbaina. Okay. Merci, Amo.
Merci. The best minutia here. Habibi. Merci. So from minutia here, it's about 40K for 2 minutias, water bottle, and 2 juices. So that comes out to about $1 per person to have a delicious breakfast at an amazing minutia place. So definitely a place you want to come check out. Super nice people. They hooked us up with some great recommendations in this area. So really appreciate it. Merci, Habibi. So we just got back into the car, guys. We're heading back to our apartment. So to put in perspective, those 6 packs of water bottles are 20K per 6 pack, yeah?
Yeah.
So about $1 per 6, 1.5 liter is it? 1.5 liter?
1 liter.
1 liter, 1 liter water. So 6 liters for $1. So if you're coming here with dollars, obviously, your money goes pretty far. So now we're gonna be heading back, like I said, to our place, and in a little bit, or this afternoon, we're gonna go and show you guys a little bit more of Faraya, and we will see you then.